Hello, welcome to Chapter 4 Small Business Ideas, Creativity, Opportunity, and Feasibility. Opportunity recognition is one of the most basic entrepreneurial behaviors. Entrepreneurial alertness means that entrepreneurs have a special set of observational and thinking skills that help them identify good opportunities. There are three innovative strategies small business owners can select. Imitative strategies take an idea that somebody else has already discovered and build a business around that idea. Incremental strategies take an idea and offer a way to do something better than it is done now. Radical innovation strategies reject existing ideas and present a way to do things differently. In terms of the entrepreneurial process, feel, check, plan, and do, entrepreneurs sense or feel the presence of opportunities as they begin the startup process. It can take many ideas to find a potentially successful one. Big businesses need 3,000 ideas to get one successful product. Interesting, huh? Opportunities can be pursued in an effectual or causal way. Ideas for new businesses come from a great variety of sources. These include work and personal experience, imitation of a similar business, a chance happening, discussions with family and friends, education and experience, and online searches for idea sites. Creative methods help you identify opportunities beyond what everybody else already knows. Scamper is a tool you can use to trigger new opportunities for your business. The creative process has 4 stages: preparation, incubation, illumination, and verification. There are 5 pitfalls that hinder innovation. You can identify the wrong problem, which happens a lot. You think one problem is it, but it's really something else. Judging ideas and opportunities too quickly. Stopping with the first good idea. Failing to act. Obeying rules that don't exist. The goal of the screening process is to quickly evaluate large numbers of ideas to eliminate those less likely to work for you. In assessing the potential viability of your business idea, there are 5 sets of questions to answer as part of the really big idea. People, who are you? What is your relative experience? Offering, what are you offering? Customer, whom are you offering it to? Value proposition, why do they care? And distinctive competencies, do you have any core science, technology, or feature? Business models are ways to identify and organize key information on organizations and how they achieve their goals. The business model canvas builds on an RBI screen to generate a more in-depth look at the elements of the business and how they fit together. The goal of a canvas is to identify an opportunity that would appeal to customers, compete well, and generate a profit. Business model canvases are evaluated by the concreteness of their answers and fit between subsets of 11 boxes. To conduct a comprehensive feasibility study for your business idea, you conduct an analysis to determine whether or not your business idea is feasible. Describe your business idea concisely, including the experience you wish to sell to potential customers, as well as details about your product. List the unique benefits and limitations of your product or services, at what stage of development it is now, any restrictions and obligations, insurance needs, product or service trends, and any production costs. Describe your industry, including its size and trends. Provide the market potential for your product or service, the strengths and weaknesses of your competition, who your customers are, and what their needs and preferences are, and how they'll find you. Compute financial projections. and also write a future action plan. You want to build a creative culture in your business. So by build a company culture that values new ideas and embraces change, we create slack time to enable employees to think of new ideas, positively enforce or reinforce ideas others bring to you, look to unlikely sources of opportunities, establish an environment with innovation, and use techniques to help you get into an innovative frame of mind. Read outside your area, invite a wild card to a business meeting, have a scan the environment day, different ways to stimulate your innovative skills in your company. That's the best way that good ideas come to any company. So yeah, keep in mind your creativity and innovativeness are what keep you in the game.